you for calling pizza. No, Claudia. Speaking, how may I help you?
Hi, can I order a pizza for delivery, please? All right, so delivery game has changed quite a bit, and I'm happy about it. Why? Because I cook all day for people. Sometimes I go home and I just want to put my feet up, just like everyone else, and do a little this or this, and go, hi, I'd like to place an order, please. And that's the extent of my night. So this is 5 things I love to crush, delivery edition. Delivery. Got quite the little range. I'm impressed with my my 5 choices. They're all over the place. Item number 1. I don't want a taco about it. Straight up, I love a good taco. Now you might go, Matt, tacos, delivery food, they're gonna get soggy. What do? A little hack, order a crispy taco. That way, over time, yes, it might get soggy, but you have more longevity with that taco. My favorite taco to have delivered is a chicken tinga taco, Pollo Tinga, from Playa Cabana here in Toronto. Very refreshing. I can't talk about it right now because I'm chewing. Next! In most cases of delivery, certain restaurants are all based on proximity. So it's like, oh, sorry, sir, we can't deliver to you because you are 3 hours away. I'm a very lucky person in that I live in the most authentic Portuguese part of Toronto, and I have access to so many great Portuguese chicken spots. It's one of my favorites. St. Matthew's chicken, Churrasco chicken. You get a little half chicken dinner, always a great value, massive. The skin is always so crispy. Get a little rice, a little potatoes, sauce. There's always leftovers, always. And the little potatoes. This is so freaking cute. I mean, what's not to love? Churrasco! Next! So now for a lighter option, I always judge sushi by the fish to rice ratio. Sometimes it's like a little bit of fish, a lot of bit of rice. So, little hack, get chirashi, you get all the fish you want, all the rice underneath, but you can ration out the way you see fit. So for example, my first bite, I don't want any rice. I'm just gonna dip. Right, but now, I'm feeling like some rice. Yeah, oh, can't get it. Get back here, get back. Now the only problem is, as much as I love sushi delivery, if they don't saran wrap that soup, I nuke it again. I'm just saying. Nuke the soup! Next! This is double pane soundproof glass. Guess the movie. Guess. I dare you. All right, so pizza. There's so much. I mean, yes, you know what? At the end of the day, I love a good pizza, but it's gotta have 3 things. It's gotta be thin crust, it's gotta have pepperoni, it's gotta have green olives. This is how I was raised as a child. Don't hate me, hate my folks. But what's great about green olives on pizzas, not everyone likes it, so you have to share less. Another thing too, Pizza Nova, they have this, I can never remember their number, but they have a song in the commercial. That's how I dial. I'm like, what's the number? 4390000 Pizza Nova. And I was saying earlier, I'm like, oh, but it's zeros. Why are we calling them O's? And then if you do the song as a remix with zeros, it's not nearly as good. 4390000, like just. So, kudos to you, Pizza Nova, for putting letters where numbers are supposed to be and succeeding. What's that math equation where they put letters and numbers together? Algebra, yeah, way better than algebra. Hands down, pizza over algebra, every time. Next! I think I'm gonna get a little bit of hate on this last one. I don't care, I love cookies. I'm a big fan of cookies, and I'm not embarrassed that I get cookies and hot chocolate delivered to me from McDonald's. 3 blocks away, if you want it warm, so in the notes, and you go, what do I want in my delivery? I want cookies, I want peppermint hot chocolate, but can you please warm them up? Comes right out of the oven. Oh, fantastic. I'm a sucker for a cookie. A little hot cocoa. And you start dipping. Oh yeah. That's a Saturday night right there. I'm an adult. Cookie, cookie, cookie. C is for cookie. That's good enough for me. That'd be a great name for a cookie food truck. C is for cookie. Well, there's another 5 things in the books, but enough about me. Give me a category. Let me know what 5 things you'd love to see me crush. It could be cheeses that go inside of a grilled cheese sandwich, or Matt, how do you like your eggs? Or, oh, what kind of pasta you vuoi mangiare? You know, things like that. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment, dare I say 5 stars, and subscribe to the channel for more of this. Nah. More 5 minutes. And scene.